Welcome to Coastal 101. I'm John Kelly. Honeybees are incredible creatures. They pollinate our crops, they give us honey. And with a little help from Coastal, you can build your own hive. Today, we're going to learn how to use a smoker. As a quick 101, beekeepers use a smoker to calm bees. The smoke encourages the bees to retreat deeper into the hive, allowing you to open up the box and check everything out. To use a smoker, open the top, crumple up some paper, and add it to the inside of the smoker. Then, add a small handful of Harvest Lane honey smoker pellets on top of the paper. Be sure to use the correct pellets. Don't use barbecue or wood stove pellets that could contain harmful additives. Light a corner of the paper, and once the pellets ignite, blow out the flame, close the lid. Start pumping the bellows to get the smoke going. You can also use Harvest Lane honey burlap in place of the pellets and paper. To put the smoker out when you're done, plug the nozzle of the smoker with a wet rag. That'll smother it in about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll find Harvest Lane honey beekeeping gear for newcomers as well as pros at your West Coast owned and operated Coastal. Thanks for watching.